Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that. And I want to share with you something incredible. Hey guys, I'm live from Alaska on a winter's day. Beautiful out today. These trees behind me, they got this incredible moss hanging all over them. I don't know if you can see that yet. Look at that. Isn't that incredible? It is beautiful. And you know what I love about, first thing I do want to say very much is I really appreciate our veterans. And I wanted to give a shout out, a big thank you to our veterans that have served and are serving right now. And we are so thankful, our freedom, to have our freedom that you fight for. So I just wanted to say that to our veterans. And also, you know, this is a beautiful, clear day. And a clear day kind of is good for clearing the mind, right? Start your day, just this fresh, crisp air, because, you know, a little chilly today in Alaska. But, you know, I'm ready. I'm so ready because it's so nice to breathe in that air and just enjoy. And it's early here in Alaska still, so that's cool. My day's just getting going. But I just wanted to give a hey to you guys for a few minutes on this beautiful, crisp morning in Alaska. And I wanted to talk to you about persistence. That's the word I want to talk about today, persistence. Very important word, right? And I just want to tell you some stories about that, how important it is in your life. Now, the first story I want to tell you is, so my brother, he had to tear out his shower to a point to fix it because it wasn't working. It was leaking some things. But you know, the plan to fix it kind of fell apart. You know how you say, I didn't see that coming, or it didn't go as I planned. Things happen, problems come up. It's a little more involved than he planned for it to be, you know. So what did he do? Did he, you know, look in the mirror and say, I quit? No, of course not. Why would he do that? I mean, if you want to take a shower, you got to be focused and committed to what you're doing. That's the essence of persistence. Hey, thanks for getting on. I appreciate it. Where are you tuning in from? Florida, wherever, you know, where the weather is really the opposite that it is here. It's crazy. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate that. All those who are getting on, just say hey, where you're tuning in from. And back to our story. So here he is with these huge problems. And no, he didn't quit, of course. He needs to fix the shower, right? Got to have a shower. You don't even think about quitting. You just persist, right? On the job, you persist till you get it done. And then voila, guess what? Your shower's fixed. And you know, great things happen when you persist. They really do. And that is true in every walk of life. And one thing I can tell you, my husband's a marathon runner. And if he didn't persist in his daily exercise, prepare for a marathon, he never would achieve a marathon. And not only is he a marathon runner, but he is a quad, walking quad, or running quad. You know, and so it's extra hard for him to prepare and to be persistent and to keep going and to keep training. Very difficult, but he does it because he's persistent, right? That word just bursts these great things that happen in your life. They really do. And that's why I'm talking about that word, because it's so important for our lives. And I also wanted to mention too that people do these things that they persist in, but you know, why not be an entrepreneur? Why not? Because, you know, the numbers are crazy though. Only 2% are entrepreneurs. So that leaves like 98% that work for someone else, build their dream, right? But just 2%. They don't even make like $500 a year, if that. Now, I'm an entrepreneur and I've made $6,300 so far and counting, right? So that's the incredible blessing about the business model I have, is that it is excellent, and it is a very newbie friendly business model. And you know, that's everything if you're new. And what about your dreams? You know, do you ever want to be epic, to have like another income stream or a main income stream? We always encourage people to have multiple income streams because you want to protect yourself, especially in these times that we live. You definitely want to be on with that. You know, you want to do things that are going to impact your life and your family and all of that. So I really challenge you and really want to invite you as my guest on our webinar tonight. It's 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now you can get on back on my Facebook page to get on, because I'll have it there live streaming, or you can register on the link above and join us. You'll get an email, and in that email you just click the link and it'll pop you into our Zoom. But you'll definitely want to download the Zoom app to do that prior to the webinar, so you don't miss anything, right? So, you know, being epic is so good. Great things happen or birth from that, of course. And I just challenge you to do that. I ask you and invite you to be on tonight. That would be awesome. If you're on, please let me know where you're tuning in from. I would love, hey, thanks for getting on. I appreciate you joining me. Awesome. I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday. And I just wanted to get on and chat a few minutes and invite you to our webinar tonight, so you can register above. So thanks for joining me today. Thank you so much on this crispy winter day in Alaska. So bye for now. Hopefully we'll see you tonight.